Hey everyone, this video is sponsored by SayIt. So, want to watch a Playboy model take off her clothes for answering some movie trivia?
When was the last time your knowledge got a woman to take her clothes off?
What'd you think? Go ahead and click on the annotation above to go check out the SayIt channel. And so now, let's go ahead and start the video. Hey everybody, Jared back once again, and it's Monday. That means it's time for our top 3 best useful Android apps of the week. And to kick it off, we're going to be taking a look at KeepScreen. Now, KeepScreen's UI definitely leaves something to be desired. However, the functionality does not. What KeepScreen allows you to do is jump into your applications tray or any list. Mind you, I don't know if it's because I have a router device or not that it's actually showing a lot of different built-in system applications and services. Mind you, you can pick any application you want and actually prevent it from the default screen timeout from forcing your device to dim and then eventually shut off. So as you can see here, I've actually pre-selected my Google Play Store. We'll go ahead and back out there and I'll jump into my display settings here, and you'll notice that I actually have a 15 seconds set. So if I was to go ahead and leave this like so, eventually the screen will dim and then go into, and shut off. So what we're going to do is jump into the Play Store, and I'm going to go ahead and leave this. Now I've enabled the notifications, so eventually the notification will pop up there and letting us know that the service has now been enabled, and we're going to go ahead and play some music for the next 15 seconds. Alright, as you can see, it hasn't shut off yet. So that definitely tells us that this application is working. This would definitely be useful for those of you that do a lot of web browsing or, again, browsing on the Google Play Store, such as myself, and are just getting sick and tired of having to continuously either tap the screen to keep it from dimming, or even go into your display settings and bumping the time intervals up. Anyways, that is Screen Keep. It is free in the Google Play Store. I'll be posting a link in the description down below for you guys to go download it, so go check it out. Alrighty, next up we've got URLy, or URLy, or however you want to pronounce it, pick one. We'll go ahead and launch the application. What this does is allows you to not only share any URL or web address you want to easily, and it shortens it up for you using any number of many different URL shortening services out there. It also allows you to send different files. You can use TwitPic, as well as a bunch of different file sharing services. Furthermore, you can go ahead and use TwitLonger to, say, for instance, expand past the 160 character limit that Twitter enforces. So we'll go ahead and we're going to test out the URL shortener. So we'll back out. Say, for instance, you wanted to share a video URL. Now, I'm just using this as an example. I realize that you can easily go into the YouTube application, click share, and share it any which way you want to. This is just, an example. So if this was any other website, we'll go ahead and long press on the URL there, copy page URL. We'll go ahead and back out, jump into the application. We're going to go ahead and press this little button there with the 2 boxes. That'll input the URL for us. And then, again, depending on the service of your preference, okay, one of them, we'll go ahead and use the Goo one. You go ahead and just press that play button to perform the action. It shortens it up for you, and then you can go ahead, if you want to, either copy and paste that into a text message, which would be long, or you can go ahead and just say, for instance, only the short URL, and you've got any number of services that you may happen to have downloaded onto your device to share it with, messaging, so on. Really interesting stuff there, really, really useful. Go ahead and jump into the settings menu here. You've got the main functions here, which truly are the main functions, the URL shortener, so you can do any number of things in here, user credentials, you can set up your goo.gl account and other services, managed services, and things like that. Backing out of there, you can do the file upload, so you can select between, let's say, for instance, all these different services here. So you've got, if that'll let me click, all these different services that it's already checked. If you didn't want to use them, you go ahead and just uncheck them, and so on and so forth. Tons of customizability in here, very simple to use, very easy to use, and very, very useful, obviously, most importantly. Anyways, that is URLy, free in the Play Store. I'll be posting a link in the description for that down below as well. Alrighty, last up we have SayIt. Now, this application is extremely impressive. However, when you first download it, I'm just going to throw this out there right now. Don't get it confused with a virtual assistant. This isn't like Google Now. This is specifically to use your voice to launch applications. Now, the situations where I think this might be most useful are, say, for instance, when you're driving. You obviously don't want to be dicking around, pressing too many buttons, or, you know, jumping in and out of too many applications, or searching for those applications, mind you. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate what we can do with this right now. And it's very accurate and very quick to respond. So, Dolphin. Boom, launches Dolphin browser. Messaging. And messaging. We can even go into phone. And we go into phone. So you guys get the picture. This application is very basic. There is no settings involved or anything like that. However, we do actually have some widgets. Go ahead and let me get to them real quickly here. Enough applications with widgets, it takes a little while. All right, so here's the different applications. I'll go ahead and toss them on the home screen. We'll jump back into here again, and we've got this one as well. All right, there we go. So there's the two different widgets that you have access to. So obviously, you can go ahead and click on this one. Bloop. And it'll bring up a list of different applications that you have, sorting them from most used to least used, as well as the other widget, which is basically the same thing, but it actually gives you a visual list right there. Now, furthermore, if you wanted to, you can also, if you have Android 4.2 and above, you can actually add the widget to your lock screen. So this, again, would probably be really handy for driving and so on, those types of situations. Anyways, that is SayIt. That is actually 99 cents in the Play Store. Is it worth it? You guys be the judge. I think it might be worth it for some people out there, maybe not all. However, it is really accurate. It works very well, and it launches those applications like lightning. But that's it for now, though, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you like this video, be sure to shoot me some love by hitting that likes button down below. And if you haven't already, maybe consider subscribing for more videos like this one in the future. If you're interested in to stay up to date on all of my videos, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. All of those links of which can be found in the description below. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.